Little fish. See him? See him?
In this summertime oasis,
See it?
Fish. Good job.
traditions
You see the little fishy?
are passed down for generations.
Yeah.
A place where worries seem to disappear.
I don't worry about it till it happens.
But 13 miles east of Carnation is a historically safe yet worrisome site.
This is where all the debris and everything would initially come down.
Deputy Mayor Jim Rebell can't help but think about the worst case scenario.
A mile that direction, there's a Girl Scout camp. We have the same situation that could happen in Texas.
The fear, a Tolt River Dam failure. It's owned by the city of Seattle and monitored 24/7. There are electronic warning systems, but the outdoor sirens were shut down last year after multiple false alarms.
Kind of my biggest fear of just that dam going. There's not enough roadway out here to get everybody out.
This is a major recreation spot for everybody in Seattle and the Seattle area. They come out to the Snoqualmie and Tolt River. They have no idea that there's a dam here at all or anything that's concerned. If you look at it, it's peaceful and calm, but something could be happening 13 miles upriver that, 45 minutes to an hour and a half is going to directly impact them, and they'd have no idea unless there was a siren system in place to warn them of something going on.
So we're not talking about the type of flooding caused by heavy rainfall. Officials are specifically concerned about if the dam fails. And if it does, they say it won't just be the riverbed that's destroyed, it would be the entire city.
It'll change everything in Carnation, the loss of life, the loss of infrastructure, wiped off. Yeah,
Hard to imagine what that would look like.
there's no recovering from it.
Seattle Public Utilities says they're reviewing an independent report about the sirens and working on the best path moving forward.
If this had happened in Seattle in 2020, by 2021 there would have been a working system in downtown Seattle, for sure. But because it's out here in Carnation, we're not seeing any immediate action taking place. It's going on 5 years. It doesn't feel fair to us that we're getting treated this way.
In Carnation, Jim Nelson, King 5 News.